Welcome to the introduction fashion skill. So now this is the sewing project for invisible zipper. So this is the diagram of the invisible zipper. You need to draw the diagram on the muslin at the back side and then prepare a zipper, invisible zipper with 25 cm length in any color. So at the diagram is indicate 20 centimeters, but you need to buy 25 centimeters length. After you prepare the muslin, you must draw the diagram at the back side. And then now you cut the center of the line before you sew the zipper. Here is the mark at the diagram. This is the end of the zipper. So, and this is the top of the zipper. Remember to snip the top of the zipper with a sharp scissors about 0.5 centimeters. And then you put the fabrics at the right side. Here, at the good side. And then you sew the zipper. So here is the position of the zipper. Look, this is the edge of the fabric and this is the edge of the zipper. Remember not to mix up the position. So this is a wrong position. This is the edge of the zipper and this is the edge of the fabric. So please don't put the zipper on this position. You should put on this position. Here is the whole picture of the diagram. And then secure with a single pin. Put diagonally. And then mark the zipper. You should stop stitching at the mark of the zipper. So remember to also change the footers at the machine before you start sewing the invisible zipper. Pin at the top and at the bottom of the zipper. So now you sew from the bottom of the zipper at the right side of the muslin. Yeah. Use the opposite. So don't stitch over the middle of the zipper. When you sew the zipper, you can flip a little bit open. So the stitching will stitch very close to the middle of the zipper. So maybe you need to push at the right a little bit. But remember not to stitch over to the middle of the zipper. So after finish with the right side of the muslin, Now you can continue at the left side. So at the left side, you also repeat the same thing. So you fold the right side and then you put the left side. Remember, here is how you gonna flip the zipper. Please pay attention. Here you fold the right side first and then press, and then here the edge of the zipper and then the edge of the fabric must match together.
Dari sini ke sini.
Yeah.
Kalau dari sini salah. Melentur.
Yeah. So remember, here is the diagram. Here's the side, the edge of the zipper and then the edge of the fabric. So this is the bottom. You have to check the bottom part. I will show you again the position of the zipper. So make sure the correct position of the zipper is like this. Look, if you don't put the correct position like this, the zipper will fall wrong at the back side. If you need to check before you sew, you can fold at the center of the zipper and then check again whether it match or not. So this is very important because you have sew one side correct, so make sure that the other side is also at the correct position. So fold this part together to check whether it match or not. If it's already matched, now you can open. Remember, this is join seam. When you sew, you need to open the zipper and the fabric, not to fold and sew. So this is at the open part. Now you sew from the top of the zipper. You can remove the pin. And you can flip a little bit the middle of the zipper so you can stitch exactly at the edge of the middle of the zipper. Stitch until the marking at the bottom of the zipper. Remember to reverse neatly and then cut the extra threads. Now you can close the zipper by pulling the zipper up and your zipper is almost done. So you just need to continue a single step at the bottom. Now you can do a join seam. Match the right side of the fabric together, but not the zipper. So you only need to sew the fabric, not the zipper. Fabric only. You follow the line and then you stop until the marking. Remember to reverse at the end of the zipper, and then you cut the threads. And then here is the good side of the zipper. You can iron open seam neatly. And here is the extra of your zipper. If you think that the zipper is too long, you can cut, but make sure that you secure with the top stitch before you cut. Remember to not too hot to iron the zipper part because it's made from nylon or polyester. So make sure that your iron is on the polyester, not on the cotton or even linen. So after the iron, you will have a very nice invisible zipper that normally you can see on the dress, on the blouse, even at the side or at the back of your garment. So here is the good side. So if you have a very nice sewing, here is the detail. It will match together, not open. So it will fall very close but not too tight. And here is also flat, so we don't have any bubble at the joint seam. So that make sure that you mark it neatly before you sew, so then you can have a very nice invisible zipper. So here is the back part, and here is the front part. Hope this video will help you to finish your assignment, and see you next week.